Great job, Sarah. Thank you. My name is Tanya, and I'm going to talk about the Jeopardy tool and how it has been used in the nursing program for several years. For example, in our pharmacology course, when students are learning about medications, they are taught the medication's generic name, trade name, mode of action, adverse effects, and nursing consideration. Once the instructor has completed the lecture for the day and they are ready to review what the student has learned, the students are divided into groups of 15. They are given a whiteboard to write their questions on. A category is chosen, just like in a regular game of Jeopardy. The students are given an opportunity to come up with the answer. They raise their hand. Whoever raises their hand first, that group is chosen to give their answer. If the answer is correct, they get to pick the next category. If it is incorrect, we then move on to the next group and give them an opportunity to pick a category. We have found that the Jeopardy in the classroom is a great tool for students to review knowledge-based content. It has been wonderful. It also helps to clear up any misconceptions students might have about information. Again, this is a great tool for knowledge-based content. It doesn't work really well when we're trying to build critical thinking skills. Also, the Jeopardy game is available on mobile devices, so our students can either download it on their smartphone or on their tablet and use it. That's it.